Hello everyone, I am Charanjit here from California Public School. I hope you are safe and healthy at your home. Today we are going to develop our programs related to assignment statements. In this video, we are creating the three programs. First one is to convert the temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Second one is to swap the values of two variables without third variable. And third one is the program that is used to calculate the area of square and rectangle. This program is used to convert the temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So this is the comment statement. This is multiple line comment statement that is used for just the sake of the user. And here I am starting the class. Name of the class is temp. This class is keyword. This curly brace indicates the starting of the class. In this class I am writing only main method public static void main. In the main method I am declaring the first variable, that is ft of float type, so that we can store the Fahrenheit value of temperature in it. I am giving the value 98.4. Why I am writing here f? Because it is of float type. I am taking another variables, that is CELS, that is for Celsius. So after conversion, this variable stores the value of the temperature in Celsius form. So it is also of float type. Then this is a single line comment that indicates its code for conversion. So how we can convert Celsius equal to Ft, that is Fahrenheit given by user, minus 32 multiplied by 5 by 9. So by this code we can convert our Fahrenheit temperature into Celsius. So this Celsius variable stores the value of temperature in the Celsius form. Then by using system.out.println we can show the value of Celsius variable on the terminal window. Okay, so after this program, what is the result? Result is Celsius is equal to 36.88889. This is our answer. This Celsius value is equal to this Fahrenheit value. Now we are going to start the second program, that is program to swap the values of two variables without using third variable. This is multiple line comment again, and here I am starting the class. The name of the class is swap. After declaring the main method, in the main method I am writing int a comma b. This lines indicates there are two variables in the memory of integer type and they occupy the space in the memory. When I am giving the value 10 to a, then in the memory 10 is stored. When I am giving value 20 to b, then 20 is stored at that location in the memory. Okay. So now this line just print the value of a on the terminal window, and system.out.println again is used to display the value of b on the terminal window. So this is the single line comment. From here the swapping of the two variables is started. So this code is used to swap the values of two variables. When I am writing a is equal to a plus b, it means a is equal to 10 plus 20, that is 30. So it gives the 30 to a. So in the memory the value is updated and it becomes 30 instead of 10. In the second statement, b is equal to a minus b. So what is the value of a now? 30 minus 20, 10. Now the value of b is updated in the memory as 10. In the third statement, a is equal to a minus b. Now what is the value of a? 30. Value of b 10. So it's a 20. 20 is stored in a variable. So after this there are system.out.println statements that are used to show the message as well as used to show the value of A and B after the swapping. So what is the output of this program? After execution of this program, this result is displayed on your terminal window. Firstly, A has 10 value, B has 20 value, but after swapping, the values are exchanged, so A gets 20 value and B gets 10 value. I am going to start the program that we use to calculate the area of square and rectangle. So I am declaring here the class area, and in this class I am declaring the main method. In the main method I am taking three variables S, L, B of integer type. S is for side of the square, L is for length of the rectangle, and B is for breadth of the rectangle. And I am giving the value to side. Side is of 4 cm and length is of 6 cm and breadth is of 2 cm. I am calculating the area of square and rectangle in the system.out.println statement. So I am writing here the message area of square is equal to, and I am writing here the S into S. So it calculates the area of square. Okay, we can also write the expression in system.out.println statement. Okay, instead of taking a variable for this result, I am writing here directly. So for calculating the area of rectangle, I am writing here the area of rect is equal to, that is the message, L into B. It calculates the area of rectangle. Yes. So after this program, what is the output? Output is area of square is equal to 4 into 4, 16, and area of rect is equal to 6 into 2, 12. This is our output after the execution of this program. That's all, friends. Thank you so much and stay safe and healthy at your home. Goodbye.